Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 5 English Grammar class. Today, we will learn about prefixes and suffixes. Kiddos, one of the most common ways in which new words are formed in English is by using prefixes and suffixes. Let's understand the meaning of these two words first. Prefix. In the word prefixes or prefix. Pre means before and fix means to attach. Pre means before and fix means to attach. Children, in English grammar, a prefix is a set of letters which we add before the main word to make a new word that can change the meaning of the word. Next, suffixes or suffix. In suffix, suff means immediately after. Suff means immediately after and fix means to attach. In English grammar, a suffix is a set of letters which we add at the end of the main word to make a new word that can change it to fit grammatically, fit within the sentence. Now, let's understand these two words, prefixes and suffixes, and their uses in detail. Let's begin with prefixes. A prefix is placed at the beginning of a word to change its meaning, which means a prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form a new word, and the meaning of which is usually different from that of the original word. Example, children, look at the example for clear understanding. First example, to the word man, man, we added the prefix super, means more or better than, to form a new word that is Superman. Superman. The word Superman means a man who is usually strong or intelligent or who can do something extremely well. Super plus man, Superman. Second example. Similarly, the prefix by means to. By means to. We added this prefix by to the word cycle, which means something which goes round like a wheel. To get a new word, bicycle, means a vehicle with two wheels. By plus cycle, bicycle, which means a vehicle with two wheels. Children, there are a lot of prefixes in English grammar. So, here I am going to show the most common prefix we often use. Let's start with the prefix un, which means against, not, or opposite. For example, in the word unable, unable, main word is able. Meaning is to have the ability, power or opportunity, time, etc. to do something. And prefix is un, And the new word is unable. Unable. And the meaning of the word unable is not to have the ability, power, opportunity, time, etc. to do something. Un plus able, unable. Un plus able, unable. Likewise, un plus tie, untie. Un plus tie, untie. Next, un plus lock, unlock. Un plus lock, unlock. Next, un plus equal, unequal. Un plus equal, unequal. Un plus safe, unsafe. Un plus safe, unsafe. Un plus well, unwell. Un plus well, unwell. Un plus happy, unhappy. Un plus happy, unhappy. Un plus known, unknown. Un plus known, unknown. Un plus tidy, untidy. Un plus tidy, untidy. Un plus seen, unseen. Un plus seen, unseen. Next, prefix is dis, 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 dis. Dis is a negative prefix, children. It means not or none. For example, in the word dislike, dislike, main word is like. The meaning of the word like is to want. Like is to want. Prefix is dis. Prefix is dis. New word is dislike. Means hate. Dis plus like, dislike. Dis plus like, dislike. Likewise, dis plus appoint, disappoint. Dis plus appoint, disappoint. Dis plus obey, disobey. Dis plus obey, disobey. Dis plus continue, discontinue. Dis plus continue, discontinue. Dis plus appear, disappear. Dis plus appear, disappear. Dis plus courage, discourage. Dis plus courage, discourage. Dis plus agree, disagree. Dis plus agree, disagree. Dis plus honest, dishonest. Dis plus honest, dishonest. Dis plus qualify, disqualify. Dis plus qualify, disqualify. Dis plus advantage, disadvantage. Dis plus advantage, disadvantage. Next, prefix is re. And the meaning is again or back. It indicates repetition. Re indicates repetition. For example, in the word restart. Restart. Main word is start. And its meaning is to begin. Prefix is re. New word is restart. Restart, which means to begin again. To begin again. Re plus start, restart. Re plus start, restart. Likewise, re plus open, reopen. Re plus open, reopen. Re plus fresh, refresh. Re plus fresh, refresh. Re plus act, react. Re plus act, react. Re plus appear, reappear. Re plus appear, reappear. Next prefix is miss, M-I-S, miss. And the meaning is bad or wrong. For example, in the word misbehave. Misbehave. Main word is behave. And the meaning is to act in a correct or appropriate way. Behave, meaning to act in correct or appropriate way. Prefix is miss. Prefix is miss. New word is misbehave, which means to behave badly. Miss plus behave, misbehave. Miss plus behave, misbehave. Likewise, miss plus lead, mislead. Miss plus lead, mislead. Miss plus understand, misunderstand. Miss plus understand, misunderstand. Miss plus use, misuse. Miss plus use, misuse. Miss plus place, misplace. Miss plus place, misplace. Next, suffixes. Let's learn about suffixes now, children. A suffix is added to the end of a word to form a new word. Children, a suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word to form a new word. The meaning of the new word is usually different from that of the original word. We use suffixes for many purposes. Let us now look at some commonly used suffixes. First one is suffix er. This ending is the most common one. It is usually added to verbs to make nouns with the meaning of a person or thing that does something. For example, in the word teacher, main word is teach, which is a verb. And when suffix er is added, it changed into a new word, that is teacher, which means a person who teaches. Teach plus er, teacher. Likewise, paint plus er, painter. Paint plus er, painter. Write plus er, writer. Write plus er, writer. Children, er is also added to the adjectives and used to compare one noun to another. For instance, long, main word is long, and suffix er is added to the long, and the newly formed word is longer. Long plus er, longer. Soon plus er, sooner. Soon plus er, sooner. Small plus er, smaller. Small plus er, smaller. Next is suffix ment, M-E-N-T, ment. Children, ment is defined as a result, condition, process, or is defined as of doing something. There are many words ending in ment. Here are just a few. Look at the first word, first example. Main word is arrange, which means to put something in order. And the suffix is ment, M-E-N-T, ment. And the new word is arrangement. And its meaning is plans or preparations for something that will happen in the future. Arrange plus ment, arrangement. Arrange plus ment, arrangement. Likewise, merry plus ment, merriment. Merry plus ment, merriment. Encourage plus ment, encouragement. Encourage plus ment, encouragement. Develop plus ment, development. Develop plus ment, development. Pay plus ment, payment. Pay plus ment, payment. Next, suffix age, suffix age, which means act of, state of, function, result of, and collection of. It is very easy to recognize. Look at the first example, children. In the word storage, main word is store, which means to keep something or a supply of something for future use. Suffix is age, and the new word is storage, which means act of storing or for safekeeping. Store plus age, storage. Store plus age, storage. Likewise, pack plus age, package. Pack plus age, package. Pilgrim plus age, pilgrimage. Pilgrim plus age, pilgrimage. Short plus age, shortage. Short plus age, shortage. Children, remember prefix beginning of a word. P, prefix beginning of a word. In prefix, we add a letter or group of letters in the beginning of a word to make it a new word. In prefix, we add a letter or group of letters in the beginning of a word to make it a new word. S, suffix, end of a word. S, suffix, end of a word. In suffix, we add a letter or group of letters at the end of a word to make it a new word. Next is worksheet. Let's answer the given worksheet, children. First bit, add the prefix un in the following words and rewrite them. First bit, first one, dash able. Write un, children, in the first blank. Un plus able, unable. Write the full word in the second blank. Unable. In the same way, try to fill the other blanks like unsafe, unknown, unhappy, untie. Next bit is add the prefix dis to the following words and rewrite them. First one, dash appear, disappear, dash courage, discourage, dash agree, disagree, dash honest, dishonest, dash obey, disobey. Now third bit, add the suffix ment to the following words and rewrite them. Enjoy, enjoyment, develop, development, govern, government, treat, treatment, punish, punishment. Fourth bit, write two words that contain these prefixes or suffixes. First one, prefix re. Children, words may vary like rejoin, reboot. Then prefix miss, mistake, misunderstand. Suffix age, storage, shortage. Suffix er, teacher, painter. Children, take this worksheet as your homework. Write this worksheet in the English classwork. I will send this worksheet through my class app also. Thank you.